What's up, guys? Welcome back into the channel. I'm Mark. We're going to talk crypto, Polkadot, and a little bit of what's going on right now on the charts because there are some correlations that we're going to bring up for you guys. Look at some trends that we're seeing historically with a couple cryptos that we talk about on the channel. But for Polkadot, are they poised for a rally? And I think that's a blockchain that goes very much underappreciated. And you've seen this from time to time again. I make a Polkadot video. The community comes out as strong as ever. And that's reflected down below in the comments box. So if you guys all hold Polkadot, drop that DOT down below in the chat. I appreciate you guys stopping by. I hope you all have a great weekend. Remember to subscribe as well. Never miss a beat with what goes on when we talk crypto here on the channel, as well as on X. The handle is in the bottom left of your screen, but let's get it going, all right? And obviously not financial advice, so please do your own research and due diligence with all things crypto and financial, but more so, this rally that we're potentially seeing, all right? We've seen a 400% surge in ICP's price. Now, Internet Computer Protocol is something that we've talked about a lot. You're either in or you're out. I think as I've learned more and more about that, I think what has happened in the past is not indicative of the future. So that's kind of the approach I'm taking with them. I'm hoping for the best. I hope it all works out. It's a very, very fascinating stuff, a very unique crypto in its own category, at least from my own, regard and how I'm viewing it. Okay, so we're going to talk about that as well. But this is intended to be a Polkadot article, okay, and in a Polkadot video. And guys, not financial advice ever. Please do your own research and due diligence with all things crypto and financial. It's a very, very, very volatile crypto world out there. So it's very much important to stay in line with what you need to do for your own investments. But let's talk about Polkadot because this is what really got my attention about this article, okay? Polkadot has been closely trailing ICP in recent price gains, okay? So this is why a lot of crypto analysts out there are looking at Polkadot if they're due to have a significant price swing. So let's take a quick look at them on the charts. We're going to dive into the crypto bubbles. You can see some of the crypto that I view. These are the top 100s here on your screen, guys. Polkadot down 1.1%, $9.21 billion market cap. All right, relatively flat, and it's kind of eaten up that dip more so than other crypto that we've seen with that Bitcoin sell-off. I think that's something where you look at where they fell from in terms of that selling a news event back at $8.50 to the $7 level that we're currently at right now. Very nice recovery as we look at a little bit over $7. And it's something where, guys, you can't be too emotional within crypto because everybody knew that Bitcoin was running a little too hot, got a little bit of a negative sentiment, and boom, we have a little bit of a tailspin to end out the week. But nothing for me that I'm actually worried about. And then you can see ICP at that $5.63 billion market cap. So it's something where Polkadot is a bigger crypto, all right? And what we've seen, though, and the purpose of what I'm telling you guys in this video is that they are basically gone up to be on par. And this is coming out from handle on X, Tony_Bitcoin. Polkadot and ICP have been observing for some time that they're on par. ICP has gone up from its minimum 400% and DOT 150%. So now it has to be equalized, and so DOT has to go up 250%. Kind of no substantiality behind that, okay? But we're going to take a closer look into it because this is something where we can take Tony's opinion and put it into something of actual merit, okay? And that's where you could see how Polkadot and ICP have been running alongside each other, and I can understand where he's got to that conclusion. Okay, but as we look into the assessment of Polkadot, from their weekly chart, guys, a lot of indicators such as the, such as the SAR, a stop and reverse metric that we're looking at, that the lines that make up that indicator are positioned behind and below Polkadot's price. Okay, so that would indicate a very much bullish trend. So Polkadot traders have continued to accumulate DOT as well as a lot of other momentum within other indicators showing upward trends at the time of this writing. Okay, so that's kind of where we're looking at things such as RSI, the money flow index. Okay, those are things where we're looking at more bullish assessments, and that's where you can see the inflow behind Polkadot is substantial, continuing a bullish trend. The moving averages are bullish as well, and so that's something where you look at some of the derivatives within Polkadot. In this little price dip we're at, this is something where a lot of people have exited positions, okay? But that's where you also get a huge amount of futures within open interest within Polkadot, and it's something for, guys, if you look into how Polkadot has had such a little bit of a, a decline since the start of December. You can really look at the month and see that drop off that we've seen getting into January as low as $6.99. It's something where I look into 2024, and I think Polkadot continues to go unappreciated, and really it's firmly in that neck race with a couple other cryptos that I have on my agenda that are continuing to battle for that top 10 title, right? Top 10 in total market cap. And I think if you took out the stable coins, guys, took out Tether, you took out USDC, I firmly think that Polkadot would be in that top 10 in my perspective. Right here, right now, they are a top 10 crypto. I think it's one of the blockchains that they really bring it, and it's something that I don't think we appreciate fully in terms of layer ones. But that's just how I feel about Polkadot, so I'm going to continue to cover them. But just wanted to put into perspective a couple of these indicators that are going on chain, on the charts, where you can go alongside Tony Bitcoin, that analyst, with what is going on in the actual prediction that they will catch up to ICP's price action. Okay. But yes, could Polkadot go up, that 250%? Not so much in the next month or 2 months, but I do see a normalization in the cards where we just continue to eat up that dip within what we've seen with that Bitcoin selling event. And when we do have the Bitcoin halving take place, the Bitcoin spot ETF comes into fruition. It would not shock me one bit to see Polkadot get close to a 200% in the longer term. Not so much near in the short term, but in a long term, 2024, Polkadot very much so, in my personal opinion, could double in price. But that's my own personal prediction. Obviously, do your own research and due diligence with all things crypto and financial. But just want to share with you guys a little dot on this Saturday. I hope you all are doing well. Make sure you guys all subscribe on your way out. Smash that like button as well. And we will see you all in the next video. Thanks.